What's the meaning of bedroom suburb? Bedroom suburb. Bedroom suburb.
Bedroom suburb. Bedroom suburb. A bedroom suburb is a term used to describe a residential area located on the outskirts of a city or urban center. These neighborhoods are typically characterized by low-density housing, single-family homes, and a lack of commercial or industrial development. The term bedroom refers to the fact that people who live in these suburbs often work in the city and use their homes primarily for sleeping and relaxing. In other words, the suburb serves as a place to rest and recharge after a day spent in the busy urban environment. The concept of the bedroom suburb emerged in the mid-20th century as car ownership became more widespread and allowed for greater mobility and commuting distances.